What are consonant phonemes? Consonant phonemes are speech sounds produced by obstructing or restricting the airflow in the vocal tract. They can be categorized based on various features like voice, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. Let's explore the different categories of consonant phonemes: stops, fricatives, affricates, nasals, liquids, and glides. Stops are produced by briefly blocking the airflow in the vocal tract and then releasing it. There are three unvoiced stops. P, k, t. And there are three voiced stops. B, g, d. Fricatives are produced by forcing the airflow through a narrow constriction in the vocal tract, causing friction and a hissing or buzzing sound. There are 5 unvoiced fricatives. F, s, sh, f. And there are 4 voiced fricatives. V, z, j, z. Affricates begin with a stop closure followed by a gradual release, creating a fricative sound. There is one unvoiced affricate. And there is one voiced affricate. J. Nasals are produced by lowering the velum, the soft part of the roof of the mouth, and allowing the airflow to pass through the nasal cavity. This resonance through the nose creates nasal sounds. There are 3 voiced nasals. Liquids are consonant sounds in which the airflow is only partially obstructed, allowing for a smooth and continuous sound. There are 2 voiced liquids. Glides, also known as semivowels, are characterized by a smooth transition from a slightly constricted airflow to a full vowel sound. There are 2 voiced glides. And there is one unvoiced glide. In summary, consonant phoneme categories include stops, fricatives, affricates, nasals, liquids, and glides, each characterized by distinct articulatory features and sound properties in spoken language. In the upcoming video, we'll explore the various types of vowel phonemes in greater detail,